Echoes of Tomorrow. Hey there, space explorers. Rocket, welcome back to the channel where we journey through the cosmos and beyond. Today, I've got an epic story for you, one that takes us to the edge of the known universe and dives deep into the heart of humanity. So, grab your space snacks and let's blast off. Milky Way. We begin with a breathtaking view of the vast expanse of space. Stars glitter like a cosmic tapestry, nebulae swirl with vibrant colors, and amidst this stunning backdrop, a lone spacecraft hurtles through the void. This isn't just any ship, it's humanity's last beacon of hope. Year 2225. Earth is on the brink of environmental collapse. Centuries of industrialization and neglect have pushed our planet to its limits. The ice caps have melted by 80%, sea levels have risen by 10 meters, and the average global temperature has increased by 4 degrees Celsius. Extreme weather patterns are the new normal. Globe fire. But all is not lost. Humanity has pooled its remaining resources into one daring mission, to find a new home among the stars. Introducing Commander Maya Reynolds. Let me introduce you to Commander Maya Reynolds. If there's anyone suited for this mission, it's her. With a PhD in astrophysics and over 1,000 hours logged in deep space missions, she's a veteran astronaut with a reputation for keeping cool under pressure. Astronaut Sparkles. Flashback time. We see Maya standing on a launch pad, Earth's horizon behind her. The weight of the world, literally, rests on her shoulders. She looks at a hologram of her family, her parents, her sister, all waving and smiling. She takes a deep breath, knowing this might be the last time she sees them. Her mission. Maya's mission is monumental. Lead a crew aboard the Starship Odyssey to find a habitable planet in the Andromeda Galaxy. Thanks to advancements in quantum slipstream drives and Alcubierre warp bubbles, they're able to traverse the 2.5 million light-years in a matter of months. Several months into their journey, during a routine scan, their AI companion, Orion, chimes in. Uncharted planet detected. Spectral analysis indicates Earth-like atmosphere and biosignatures. The excitement on the bridge is electric. Could this be the one? They pull up the data. Gravity at 9.81 meters per square second, atmospheric composition matching Earth's to within 0.01%, abundant liquid water, and signs of a functioning ecosystem. Statistically, the odds of finding such a match are 1 in a quintillion. Approach and descent. As they approach the planet, things get, well, strange. Instruments begin to glitch, the quantum flux detectors are off the charts, and the ship's hull starts resonating at frequencies they've never seen. Orion alerts them. Unknown energy field detected. Origin. Planetary magnetosphere anomalies. Maya orders a full diagnostic, but time's running out. With no other options, they proceed with the descent, relying on manual controls. It's a rough ride, but thanks to their expertise and a bit of good old-fashioned piloting skills, they touch down safely. Exploring the new world. Stepping out of the Odyssey *, the crew is greeted by a landscape that's both familiar and utterly alien. The vegetation has a bioluminescent quality. Plants emit a soft glow in varying wavelengths, possibly due to the planet's unique exposure to its twin suns. Seedling glowing star. They conduct preliminary tests. The air contains 21% oxygen, 78% nitrogen, traces of argon and carbon dioxide, almost identical to Earth's atmosphere. The soil is rich in minerals, and there's evidence of microbial life that seems to coexist symbiotically with the plant life. But then, anomalies start popping up. Time seems off. A thrown object doesn't follow a parabolic trajectory as expected. Their atomic clocks are desynced by microseconds after just a few minutes. Gravity fluctuates by plus or minus 0.5%. Orion warns them. Temporal and gravitational inconsistencies detected. Recommend caution. Encounter with the inhabitants. And that's when they meet the Elysians. Emerging from the forest are beings of ethereal beauty, humanoid but with luminescent skin displaying patterns like solar flares. They don't walk so much as glide, and their technology is indistinguishable from magic. Communication isn't verbal. Instead, thoughts and images flow directly into the crew's minds. Brain dizzy, it's like Wi-Fi for consciousness. The Elysians introduce themselves as the Guardians of Elysia, a planet serving as a galactic repository of knowledge. Learning about Elysia, they have technologies manipulating quantum fields, harnessing zero-point energy, and even accessing higher dimensions. The Elysians explain that Elysia exists at a nexus point in spacetime, which accounts for the anomalies the crew experienced. They've observed humanity's development and are aware of Earth's plight. But they also know of humanity's history, both the wonders we've created and the destruction we've wrought. The hidden truth. In a profound revelation, the Elysians share visions of Earth's potential futures. Using predictive models that account for billions of variables, including quantum uncertainties and chaotic factors, they show that without significant change, Earth has less than 50 years before total ecological collapse. They also reveal that humanity's actions have caused disruptions not just on Earth but have ripple effects on a cosmic scale. The consumption of resources, the detonation of nuclear weapons, the emission of certain frequencies, these have all contributed to a destabilization of cosmic energies. The test. The Elysians present them with a challenge. Prove that your species has the capacity for growth, understanding, and harmony with the universe. They must undergo trials that test their intellect, empathy, and moral compass. It's not about physical survival but about the essence of who they are. The moral dilemma. Back on the Odyssey *, tensions flare. Some crew members, like Lieutenant Harris, argue that they should take what they need by any means necessary. We have the tech. We can override their systems. Earth's survival is at stake, he insists. Others, including Maya, believe that such actions would only perpetuate the cycle of exploitation. If we can't respect another civilization's sovereignty, do we even deserve a second chance? She counters. It's a classic trolley problem but on a galactic scale. Do they prioritize their species' survival over ethical considerations? Maya's leadership tested. Maya realizes that unity is crucial. She holds a meeting, allowing everyone to voice their concerns. She listens, acknowledges fears, and reminds them of the mission's core purpose. Drawing on examples from Earth's history, the consequences of colonialism, the downfall of civilizations due to hubris, she appeals to their higher selves. It's a masterclass in leadership under pressure. The ultimate challenge. The Elysians then guide them to a chamber, a place where physical and mental boundaries blur. Each crew member faces manifestations of their deepest regrets and failures. Ensign Lee confronts the loss of his brother, understanding his survivor's guilt. Dr. Patel faces the ethical compromises she made in her research, prioritizing funding over integrity. They must each accept responsibility, forgive themselves, and choose a path forward. Sacrifice and redemption. In a heart-wrenching twist, Dr. Nikolai Petrov, the ship's quantum physicist, discovers that their mere presence is causing the planet's temporal anomalies to worsen. The Odyssey's quantum drive is destabilizing Elysia's delicate balance. To save both Elysia and his crew, Nikolai decides to stay behind, integrating himself into the planet's energy matrix to neutralize the disturbances. "Tell my family I found my purpose," he says with a sad smile. His sacrifice is the ultimate act of selflessness, demonstrating to the Elysians that humanity is capable of profound empathy and courage. Resolution. Moved by Nikolai's actions, the Elysians make their decision. "You have shown that amid flaws, there is greatness within you. We will aid you." They provide the crew with advanced technology, blueprints for terraforming, methods to reverse climate change, and fusion reactors that offer clean, limitless energy. The data includes nanoscale carbon capture technology capable of reducing atmospheric carbon dioxide levels by 50% within a decade. Preparing to return home, the Odyssey is repaired and enhanced with Elysian tech. The crew is eager but solemn, their experiences leaving an indelible mark. Maya records a log. "We've been given a gift and a responsibility. It's up to us to ensure that Nikolai's sacrifice wasn't in vain." Farewell to Elysia. As they prepare to depart, the Elysians share a final message telepathically. Remember, the universe is a connected tapestry. What you do on your world echoes across the stars. The crew expresses their gratitude. They plant a memorial for Nikolai, a tree that glows with the combined essence of human and Elysian life forces. Journey back. Activating the new quantum drive, the Odyssey folds space, making the return journey instantaneously. They're greeted by mission control with astonishment. The ship vanished from their sensors months ago and reappeared out of nowhere. Final narration. Maya stands on the bridge, gazing at Earth through the viewport. "Home," she whispers, "but this time, we come with the knowledge to heal it." She addresses the United Earth Council, presenting the Elysian technology and sharing their journey. It's met with skepticism, awe, and eventually, hope. The final montage shows the implementation of Elysian tech across the globe. Skyscrapers overgrown with greenery, oceans teeming with life as coral reefs regenerate, air quality indexes returning to healthy levels. Maya visits Nikolai's family, sharing his last words and ensuring his legacy lives on. The last shot is of Earth from space, slowly healing, a blue-green jewel shining brighter than ever. Maya's voiceover concludes, "We sought a new home but found a way to save our own. It's up to all of us now." The echoes of tomorrow start with the actions we take today. Globe sparkling heart.